Welcome to another Ministry Minute. We're going through a series on great people of the faith. Today, I want to talk to you about Archbishop Janani Luwum. In 1972, the elected government of Uganda was overthrown by Colonel Idi Amin. He ruled through acts of terrorism and fear. But there was one organization that would not give in to his terrorism, and that was the Church of Uganda. Led by Archbishop Janani Luwum, the church stood up and spoke against the ruling power, against their atrocities and the injustices. And because of this, Archbishop Janani Luwum was captured and brutally murdered. Here is a great man of the faith who stood up against injustice, against evil, and against oppressors, and spoke for the people who were the underdogs. He lived out what it meant to be a disciple of Jesus Christ. Here was a great person of the faith, Archbishop Janani Luwum. Look him up. I'll see you tomorrow.